Now, sometime there is a ancient understanding that channels are like a pathway, like a road or highway, and the wind is like a horse. Ancient time example is like a horse. Now we can say car, and then the person who is riding a horse is the consciousness. So you have a channel as a path, the wind as a horse, the rider as a consciousness. So that's how it happens. So when we're doing the 9 breathing or purification, kind of similar, so that when you are, for example, when you're breathing, that breath is coming from a specific place, going through specific place, through specific channels, specific locations in the channel, arriving specific areas of the body, and going through, moving through the specific areas of the body. So the wind, when it's moving, clearly the horse is moving. So, and the horse is not only a horse, the rider is there, the consciousness is totally present with that particular wind in that particular location, with the specific quality of consciousness. So if you're trying to clear attachment, then it's the attachment. If you're trying to clear the anger, then it's the anger. So there's a very specific quality of emotion is there. So then when you're breathing it out, then that particular emotion is getting cleared. So that's, I think it's important and helpful to understand the rider and the horse example.